Present here. So today we are present here on the occasion of International Women's Rights. So before talking about International Women's Rights, we have to first look behind where it comes from. So we know that this world has gone through two catastrophic events, World War I and World War II. In World Wars, millions of people have lost their lives. Countless people sacrificed themselves. They lost their homes, they lost their families and all. So one day, one soldier went to a woman. She was crying in the hospital. So he asked her, why are you crying? Did you lose your family? She said that I am not crying because I lost my family. I am crying because the world forgot that we are human. So this word sparks the entire world. It shows without humans collaboration, without humans' rights, the humanity will be collapsed. So on the United in the year 1948, the United Nations declared Universal Declaration of Human Rights on December 10th. That's why today we celebrate human rights. And this was first created by Mrs. Roosevelt with the help of collaboration of different countries. So she stated that all the humans should have the same right irrespective of the religion, caste, minority, wealth, etc. So why do we celebrate these human rights? So these human rights we got because we are humans, right? The human rights we got because of humans, and the human rights cannot be taken by the government, and the human rights protect our freedom, dignity, and power. So we have different types of human rights such as freedom of speech, freedom of vote, freedom of education, and etc. And in India we also have different rights such as fundamental rights. We have women's rights, we have children's rights, we have National Human Rights Commission. So these are all rights are given. What if we didn't have these human rights? What will happen? The powerful will control the weak. The rich will exploit the poor. The women may not be treated equally, or the child may be abused. Children may get abused. So you may ask that are they still not happening in the today's world? Yes, right. In today's world also, we are being exploited through human trafficking, child labor, inequality in genders, discrimination, racism, etc. So this war is not over. So what I am trying to say that we are given these human rights to protect ourselves. We should treat others as we treat ourselves. Like if you treat others with respect, they will treat you with respect. So you are the one to spark the light. So there is one student who asked his teacher, why should we follow these human rights? She said that in a room full of darkness, a small candle can light the room, and the same candle can light other candles too. So you should be spark to others. If you show your respect to others, they will show the same. So in this in this special day, we should all get together to protect these human rights. Thank you.